Note: area of an irregular polygon can be easily calculated by first drawing its longest diagonal and drawing perpendiculars from the remaining vertices on this diagonal. The polygon gets divided into a number of right triangles and a number of trapezia. We add the area of these to get the area of polygon. Area of polygon ABCDE is equal to area of triangle ABL plus area of trapezium BCML plus area of triangle CMD plus area of triangle EDN plus area of triangle AEN. Now the areas of all these figures added together will give the area of this irregular polygon ABCDE. Volume. The extent of space occupied by a solid figure is called its volume. Cube and cuboid. Number 1. Volume of a cube is equal to side cube cubic units. Number 2. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height cubic units. It is also equal to area of the base into height in terms of cubic units. Number 3. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units, where LB and H stand for length, breadth and height respectively. Number 4. Total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square units. Number 5. Area of 4 walls of a room or the lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units. Right circular cylinder. Number 1. Volume of a right circular cylinder is pi r square h cubic units, or it is also equal to area of the base into height, where r and h stand for radius and height of the cylinder respectively. Number 2. Area of the curved surface of a right circular cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h square units. Number 3. Total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Right circular cone. Number 1. Slant height of a cone, denoted by L, is given by formula square root h square plus r square. Number 2. Curved surface area of cone, pi into r into L. Number 3. Total surface area of cone, pi r into L plus r. Number 4. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sphere. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square units. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units.